began Wednesday, the stage was 10.4 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Forecast rise above flood stage by late this morning and continue to rise to near 11.7 feet by this afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by tonight. At 11.0 feet, lowland flooding occurs in Daniels Park in Willoughby and along some secondary roads near the Chagrin River. At 8.0 feet, lowland flooding occurs in the city of East Lake.
At 9 a.m. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 59 listening area of Northeast Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of